Hi, Ewan.
Yeah.
I want to explain to you and to everybody else that's watching this video
Okay.
why you should not trust your money, your financial investments with someone else, why you need to control them yourselves and do your own investing.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, everybody thinks it's too hard, but really it's not.
Uh.
Okay? This is the uh, graph for one company, Suncor, in the last year.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
So, at about let's see, June last year,
Yeah.
it was just over $70.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
And then, like every other stock in the world, it went down, 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 and come October, it went all the way down to $25.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So obviously, unless you sold way back in June or July,
Mm-hmm.
you and everybody else like you, my mom and dad, my friends, everybody lost a lot of money.
Whoa. Really?
Really. Like 30% of all the money they have in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Gone.
Oh.
Right? I mean, that's a terrible thing to have happen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Now, this is one company. But if you look at the index overall, okay, the red line shows the Toronto Stock Index.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the average of all the companies. Okay? Now, it wasn't as bad as Suncor, the blue line, but still pretty bad. It's down 40%.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay? So, obviously, people needed to be selling
Mm-hmm.
way back here in June and July.
Yeah. 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 Of
Now,
course.
the problem is nobody can tell you that.
Uh.
Some people can, but if everybody, all the financial advisors say, oh, better sell, then everybody does, then it actually does happen. So, to their credit, okay, they're in a difficult situation, but as individual advisors with their own customers, no, they really should tell their customers. And I know some people did, right? So, people, advisors who told their customers, look, you should have your money in cash now. They did, and they saved themselves a lot of money. Okay?
Okay.
Now, the other theory is buy and hold. So if you look at 5 years, for example.
5 years or 5
Okay?
days? Yeah.
5 years.
Oh.
Okay, so this is 5 years. So 5 years ago in 2004,
Mm-hmm.
the price was below $20,
20.
right? Way down here.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay? Then it went up. 2005, it started going up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
2006, same as the price of oil, it kept going up. Everybody's making money. All the financial advisors are happy. Everybody's happy.
Yeah,
Then in
yeah.
2008, it really, really went up.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay? Now, the problem is
Uh-uh.
everything that goes up eventually comes down.
Uh.
Right? So nobody said, time to sell.
Uh.
Right? And it's obvious
Mm-hmm.
that you should be selling.
Uh.
Okay? So this is what people need to be aware of. And if you do a simple thing, you go to Google, you watch a few stocks,
Mm-hmm.
you know that, hey, wow, maybe I should sell.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay? So what we want to do is help people learn what they can do. Okay? For example, here, if we now look at 10 years,
Mm-hmm. Wow.
okay? It slowly went up. Very slowly. So you didn't make much
Yeah.
money in all those years. And then finally in three and a half years, you can make a lot of money. And then in 4 months, you lost most of it. It's back down to $20.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? From there to there. Okay?
Okay.
So what we want to do is learn how to avoid these massive drops and how to make some money online easily and without a lot of risk.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's do that.